Hello, financial fans. Another down week. I have not bought or sold any stocks since the last time I made a video for this channel. And the year to date, up or down percentage depends on which index you are looking at. The S&P 500. The S&P 500 year to date is up 2.37%, and that is a nice gain actually, even though they've had a down week. Total year-to-date S&P 500 2.37%. The Qs, QQQ, NASDAQ up year-to-date 14.18%. That's incredible. And the diamonds, the Dow Industrial Average, Dow 30 stocks, year to date down 3.37%, and my index, my own personal portfolio value, down 0.13%, just barely down, still down for the year. I'm worse off than when the year started, financially anyway, as far as value of the portfolio, but we will see what happens as the year continues. And we'll look at some stocks that have pretty good numbers and would normally be considered stocks to consider. I am not a financial advisor, and any money you put into the stock market you can lose. But if buying low and selling high is your game, then these might be some stocks you want to look at. We will begin with APA. That's the symbol for APA Corporation, and it closed at $31.74 on Friday, and after hours it went up a penny to $31.75 per share. Column on the left, 2/3 of the way down, 52-week range for APA. $30.15 was the low, and $51.95 was the high, so it's very close to its low for the past 52 weeks right now. The average volume for APA, a little over 5.5 million shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be undervalued. The PE ratio, 2.91. That is very low, and low is good for a PE ratio. The forward dividend and yield pays $1 a year and yields 3.12%. 1-year target estimate for APA, $51.38, so that would be a big increase in value. Next we look at Chesapeake Energy Corporation. CHK is the symbol. It closed on Friday at $72.07, and afterwards went down a little bit further to $71.25 per share. The 52-week range, $69.68 was the low for the past 52 weeks, and $107.31 was the high. Average volume, over 1.5 million shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be undervalued. The PE ratio, 2.15, so again a very low PE ratio, and the low PE ratio is what you want. Forward dividend and yield, 12% yield, 12.71% is the current yield at the price of $71.25, and the 1-year target estimate, $119.19. Next we look at symbol DINO, HF Sinclair Corporation, and the symbol is DINO, and the price per share right now after hours $47.18. 52-week range $34.90. and the high in the past 52 weeks was $66.19. The average volume, 2.25 million shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be undervalued. The PE ratio, 3.16, and the forward dividend and yield, it yields about 4% at the current price, and the 1-year target estimate for DINO, $63.42. And the last stock we'll look at today, Equitable Holdings Incorporated, EQH is the symbol, and the after hours price $23.01 per share. 52-week range, $23.35 was the low, so it's very near to its low, and the high for the past 52 weeks was $33.24. The average volume, a little over 2.5 million shares trade each day, and the stock is considered to be undervalued. The PE ratio, 5.71, and the forward dividend and yield, 3.33%. Modest yield at this time, but normally that would be considered to be a good return on the investment while it's being held. The 1-year target estimate, $38.85, and that would be a big move upwards. And I thank you very much for watching.